Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing good. For today's wreath, you're going to need a sign from Dollar Tree, and they have a lot to choose from this summer. So I picked up this little pineapple and it has glitter on it. You will need a wreath form from Dollar Tree, and this is the 14-inch. You are going to need some burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree. You will also need some 4-inch ribbon. You will need your floral stem wire, your hot glue gun and glue sticks, and some scissors for this wreath. What you're going to want to do first is you are going to take your burlap ribbon and you're just going to simply hot glue to the back and wrap the burlap ribbon around your wreath. And this is what it looks like when you have your wreath completely wrapped. So give me just a second and I'll show you how to tie a bow for this wreath. Okay, and I forgot to mention you will need 2 rolls of this pink burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree. And you're going to also want to grab a couple pipe cleaners, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably use this twine to attach my sign to the wreath, but I'm also going to hot glue a few pipe cleaners on, and that way I can twist them onto the wreath too. So you'll need a couple pipe cleaners, 2 rolls of the burlap ribbon, and we're just going to tie a bow right now. So you're going to want to have your floral stem wire close by. You're going to let out a tail, and you're going to just simply make a loop. Keep it pinched tightly in your left hand, and ribbon with wire works best. And you're going to try to make your loops the same size on each side, and just keep it tight in your left hand, and you go back and forth until you get the bow the size you like. I'm not going to make a super huge bow because the wreath's not that big, but I think I will go one more time. Okay, then I'm going to let out a tail about the same length and trim it off. And then you'll want to have your floral stem wire close by. Sorry, it's wanting to jump around on me. Okay, and so you're just going to wrap your floral stem wire around the center of your bow, keeping it nice and tight, and give it a few twists. I just put lotion on my hands, so it's not helping out, making it kind of hard to twist it tight. But then you'll want to take your loops and just fluff them and shape your bow. And if you have any questions, just let me know, and I will write everything down in the drop-down box for you. Okay, so here's our bow, and give me just a second and we'll attach it to our wreath. Okay, I usually have a few questions about the loops on my bow, how long they are, and I measured, and the length of the loops on my bow are 5.5 inches. So I hope that helps. And you're just going to take the wire and you're going to want to thread it through your wreath. Just carefully push it through so that you don't tear your ribbon. And then pull it tight and go to the back and give it a few twists. And then you'll want to trim off the extra wire when you get finished with your wreath. But for now, I'm just folding it down. Okay, then you're going to fluff your loops again. Okay, and like I said, the loops are 5.5 inches is what they measured. And probably, about a 14-inch tail. And I didn't get these exactly the same, and that's okay. So this is probably like a 10-inch and a 14-inch tail, but I kind of like the difference in the length, but you can measure them and get them the same length. It's just whatever you like, whatever works best for you. And then I also took a strip of the ribbon, and I cut a 24-inch strip. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add it to the right side of my wreath, and I'm just going to kind of pinch it like this. And then I am going to take some floral stem wire, just thread it through. It's not wanting to go through. Just going to carefully push it through, be patient. I'm going to thread it through to the other side. I think I'm hitting some hot glue, is why it's not wanting to go through. Okay, so you're just going to go to the back and give it a few twists. Okay. And then I'm going to do the same down here. I'm going to secure it with wire, and then I will be ready to attach my sign to the right side. So give me just a second to finish up this ribbon, and we'll be right back. Okay, I have my ribbon attached to my wreath now, and I went ahead and measured the tails, and the one on the left is 10 inches, the one on the right is 13 inches, because I know someone's going to ask, and my loops are 5.5 inches on my bow. And this strip on the right is 24 inches, and I just secured it in 2 places with the floral stem wire. And now I am waiting on my hot glue to dry on my sign, and then I'm going to attach my pineapple. I always have questions on this ribbon right here, and it is Expressions brand, and I picked it up at a local craft store that was going out of business. So I don't know if you can find this online or not, but Hobby Lobby does have some that's very similar. So I just wanted to share that. So I can't, can't find the exact one, but maybe you can online. So I just wanted to share that, and it's Expressions brand ribbon. Okay, and I have my pineapple attached, and I added a wire at the top right here. That way, in case something happens and my hot glue decides to turn loose, the sign is still wired on. But here it is, and I'll hang it up in just a second and let you see how it looks. I just added a wire to the top and hung it on my door. So you can't hardly see the ribbon on the right that well, but I think it pulls it together nicely. So if you want to add it, add it. If you don't, don't. But here it is, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day, guys.